Hi friends, how are you doing? You hanging in there? It's officially a month plus of this quarantine life, and I miss my friends. Video chat, calling, messaging, all that has been great, but nothing beats sitting across the table from your friend, sipping on a coffee, laughing the day away. Feels like a memory from long ago. That's why on today's quarantine crafts, I'm going to show you how to make junk mail paper mache friends. That's right, you can't creep out your friends if they're not around. The things that you'll need for this project are some flour, glue, an assortment of junk mail or any recyclable paper, paint, an outfit from your closet that your friend would wear, a hair dryer for impatient people like me, a glue gun, scissors, mixing bowls, some water, and something to prop that body up. Gather your things, it's time to get crafty. Today, my inspiration is my friend Megan. I'm gonna make her out of paper mache. She's gonna love it. First thing, you're gonna tear up all of your junk mail into strips. Next, I'm gonna mix flour and water. You can also use glue and water, but flour and water does the trick. I'm gonna use a bowl to make my head. Since the bowl is only half the head, I'm gonna make two of them and then I'll put them together. So take your pieces, dunk them into your pancake batter. You wanna let them soak a little bit. Take off any extra and then just start laying it over. Try to make it as smooth as possible because we're going to be painting over this. Once you have your form, you can either blow dry it dry or just wait. So I made my two sides, and now I want to put these two halves together. I had a little trouble getting this one off, so I just cut it and I'll just paper mache it together again. And then paper mache it closed. A balloon is a little bit easier because you can just form it around the balloon, leave a little hole, and then pop it. I'm sorry, Megan, your head is going to be very lumpy today. Now that I have my weird lumpy head globe, I'm going to blow dry it dry. Now that your head's dry, I'm going to make a neck using toilet paper rolls that I cut on each side, and I'm going to glue them together. I'm going to mark my neck to my head so then I can attach them together. Cut a hole. I'll put my neck in here. Glue it in place. Now you have your friend's head attached to their neck. It's time to decorate. Use extra paper to make a nose and ears. Makeup. Let that dry. Now for the hairline and the back of the head. So my friend has a little piece shaved off, so I'm going to get that sort of texture by using glue and some coffee grounds. I think that worked out fine. Now for the rest of her hair. Party streamers also work really well for this, but I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna make do with what I have. Now for the rest of the details. Eyes, eyebrows, lips, additional details. Stuff and assemble your body. And there you have it. My friend Megan made out of paper mache. This isn't weird at all. This is absolutely normal. Two friends just drinking coffee together. I'm gonna ask Megan what she thinks about Megan. Hello!
Hello.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm so. Oh my god. Hello, paper mache.
It really is like we're having coffee together.
Oh my god. I love paper mache.
I'm so glad that you like it. Oh, I forgot to put your other nose piercing in. I gotta update that. And that's how you make a junk mail paper mache friend. Have some fun and let me know who you make.